How are you
Namaste.
experiencing this? How are you feeling?
Thank you for asking. I I'm feeling ecstatic and at one with the goddess. It's profound as a man to visualize, you know, the masculine as part of the goddess and really, yeah, I mean the Shiva lingam as part of Devi and yes, being introduced to this amazing goddess Kamakhya, it's like it's a release into reality. I feel like to be able to honor raw desire and sexuality in all of its forms and including the menstruation and everything, it's and to bring that into the realm of the sacred is very profound and enlightening. So yeah, I feel grateful to receive this transmission, and I'm just honored to be in the presence of you and all these amazing incarnations of the goddess. So thank you so much for gracing us today, and thanks for asking.
Thank you. Thank you, Gopal.
Bye.
Thank you. Namaste.